హాయ్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈరోజు వీడియోలో థర్డ్ క్లాస్ ఈవీఎస్ అవర్ వరల్డ్ వర్క్ బుక్ యూనిట్ నెంబర్ 11 దిస్ ఈజ్ ద వే ఈ టాపిక్లో ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్ షీట్ 1 to 8 అట్లాగే అసెస్మెంట్ 11 దీనిలో ఉన్నటువంటి టాపిక్స్ గురించి ఈరోజు వీడియోలో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. 3, 4, 5 తరగతులకు సంబంధించినటువంటి అన్ని సబ్జెక్టుల వర్క్ బుక్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి సంబంధించినటువంటి వీడియోస్ కోసము, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ వరకు ఇంగ్లీష్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి కంటెంట్ ఉన్నటువంటి వీడియోస్ కోసము ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అట్లాగే వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకా ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా మనం వర్క్షీట్ 1లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద వే గ్లోజరీ డైరెక్షన్స్ ఈస్ట్, వెస్ట్, నార్త్, సౌత్, కార్నర్. ద ప్లేస్ బిట్వీన్ ఎనీ టూ డైరెక్షన్స్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ కార్నర్. నైబర్, పీపుల్ లివింగ్ ఇన్ ద హౌసెస్ అండ్ అదర్ బిల్డింగ్స్ నియర్ అవర్ హౌస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ నైబర్స్. Neighborhood, the area around our house. Landmarks, well-known places in a particular area. Symbols, representation of landmarks. Maps, the pictorial information of areas. Compass, a device is used to find directions. Worksheet 1, concept, introduction, find the way, puzzle. Observe the pictures and find the way. Student activity. Worksheet number 2, concept, where is uncle's house? Rewrite the following words. The given words are: first one, uncle, house, neighborhood, comfortable, neighbors. Fill in the blanks. First one, the area around our house is our neighborhood. People living in these houses are our neighbors. Every neighborhood has few facilities that makes our lives comfortable. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Question number 1, what must be there around a house? There must be colleges, hostels, hotels, income tax office around a house. Who are our neighbors? Teachers, doctors, farmers are our neighbors. What is meant by neighborhood? The people living around our houses are called neighborhood. Name your neighbors: Ramu, Lakshmi, Bhavani, Sai, etc. Worksheet number 3, concept, facilities available in our neighborhood and knowing sites. Rewrite the following words. First one, facilities, front, back, left, right. Tick the facilities available in our neighborhood: school, autos, hospital, park, office. And the next one, post office, bank, police station, market, water tank. If it is not available, you can leave it. Number 3, fill in the blank boxes given below with appropriate information. Your home, front, there is another house. Left side of your home, college. Right side of your home, hospital. Back side of your home, grocery shop. What is there in front of your house? Based on the above picture, we have to answer the following questions. There is another house in front of our house. What do you find at the back of your house? A grocery shop is there at the back of our house. What do you observe the right side of your house? There is a hospital. What do you see to the left side of your house? There is a college. List out facilities that you would like to have in our neighborhood. Schools, colleges, hospitals, hotels, offices. Worksheet number 4, concept, directions, east, west, north and south. Rewrite the following words, and the given words are: directions, east, west, north, south, sunrise, sunset. Draw a picture of your house and the neighborhood. Student activity. Fill the directions: house, west, north, east, south. The sun rises in the east. Opposite direction of the east is west. Directions are usually calculated from north point. When a boy stands in front of the sun, his left hand shows north direction, while to his right it will be south direction. Worksheet number 5, concept, directions, east, west, north and south. Rewrite the following words. The given words are boundaries, corner, northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest. Answer the following questions. What are called boundaries? The limits of any area are called boundaries. What is called corner? The place between any two directions is called corner. How many corners are there? What are there? There are 4 corners. They are northwest, second one northeast, third one southeast, and the fourth one southwest. What tools are used to find directions in these days? We can use two major tools. They are compass and GPS. GPS means Global Positioning System. Let's observe the classroom and fill the table. In between west and north, northwest. In between west and south, southwest. In between east and north, northeast. In between east and south, southeast. These are called as corners. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. First one, nowadays we are using compass, GPS to find directions. The place between any two directions is called a corner. GPS represents direction. The limit or boundaries of a building or a village called boundaries. Worksheet number 6, concept, landmark symbols for identification of addresses on a map. Rewrite the following words. First one, landmark, symbol, well-known place, near, school. Answer the following questions. First one, name some well-known places of your village. They are Panchayat office, library, high school, etc. What is meant by a landmark? A well-known place to locate, spelling mistake. The address of a home is called a landmark. Write a landmark for our school. Our school is located beside Primary Health Center, PHC. Can you name any two landmarks near your house? They are Panchayat office, SBI bank. Fill in the blanks. The picture with the symbol is known as a map. The well-known places are called landmarks. Draw your village map and locate landmarks on it. Student activity. Worksheet number 7, concept, knowing the importance of landmarks and symbols. Rewrite the following words. First one, park, college, post office. Draw the symbols in given space and color them. Actually, this is also a student activity. Park, school, college, post office, public toilets, hospitals, house, flats, market, and the last one, bus stand. Match the landmark with symbols. Water tank, hospital, road transport, post office, house. Worksheet number 8, concept, improve your learning, conceptual understanding. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Name the 4 directions. 4 directions are north, south, east and west. What do you see in the 4 directions of your school? In the east, there is a Panchayati office. In the west, colony. In the north, high school. In the south, R&B colony. What helps us to locate any address in our village or a city? It is easy to locate the address of the home if there is a well-known place near it. These well-known places are called landmarks. Roman number 2, questioning. What questions would you ask your teacher to draw the map of your village by using symbols? Question number 1, what are the symbols? Question number 2, what symbols we can use for different places like schools, hospitals, temples, offices, etc. Question number 3, what are the directions of our village? And the last one, what is a map? Roman number 3, experiments and field observations. Name some landmarks of your village and write to which side they are to your school. Student activity. Roman number 4, information skills, project work. Visit a nearby house and fill in the table given below with the observations. Student activity. Drawing pictures and model making. Draw your house, then color the north in red, south in blue, east in orange and west in green. Student activity. Draw your school, draw the school building and the main rooms in it. Student activity. Roman number 6, appreciation. Have you ever helped someone by giving them right directions to reach their destination? How did you feel? Yes, I have helped to someone who came to our village on election duty by telling them proper landmarks to reach the school. Then I felt so happy. How do you feel when you watch the sunrise or sunset? I felt so happy when I watched the sunrise or sunset. I used to take pictures in my father's phone because it looks so beautiful. Assessment 11. Choose the correct answer. All directions are constant and usually calculated from the north point. Option B. The limits of any area, building or village are called option A, boundaries. The pictures with symbols is known as a map. Option B. Fill in the blanks. First one. The area around our house is our neighborhood. If you face the rising sun in the morning, the direction in front of you is east. The full form of GPS is Global Positioning System. Match the following. First one, it is the symbol which denotes a hospital, and the second one, school zone, school, and the last one, overhead water tanker. Option A. Draw and color. Draw a map from your house to school. Student activity. Answer the following questions. First one, what are landmarks? It is easy to locate the address of a home if there is a well-known place near it. These well-known places are called landmarks, etc. For example, school, hospitals, panchayat office. What are there on the 4 directions of your house? North, house, east, hospital, సౌత్ షాప్, వెస్ట్ కాలేజ్. ఇది మనకి 11th యూనిట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి 1 నుంచి 8 వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్షీట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి సంబంధించిన వివరణ, అట్లాగే అసెస్మెంట్ 11 దానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి వివరణ. ఐ హోప్ మీ అందరికీ కూడా అర్థమై ఉంటుందని అనుకుంటున్నా. ఛానల్ కనుక ఎవరైనా మొదటిసారి చూస్తూ ఉంటే ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అట్లాగే వీడియోకి సంబంధించిన లింక్ని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. ఒక మంచి వీడియోలో ఒక మంచి టాపిక్తో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అప్పటి వరకు టేక్ కేర్. హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ డే.